Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk about the code P0442. We have Evap system leak. Okay, sometimes it's not just the Evap, especially when it comes to Infiniti G35 Nissan 350Z, is the charcoal canister too do the same thing. Okay, if they have charcoal canister problem, the problem is when you fill up the gas, the car doesn't take gas, so it'd be so difficult to push gas in the car. And what happened after that, if the canister go bad, can create even your horsepower go down. And also how they burn the gas is not enough, especially in the morning when you start the car, you find the RPM stay high and you have to wait until the car cool down so the RPM drop down. So that means something wrong. Maybe they have a vacuum leak or the canister is bad. So this is what we're gonna be talking today. So I did change today mine. I just changed it. This is the old one. I just remove it from the car. So this one here, so sometimes I have to change this valve here, or the canister by itself is bad. So I buy the whole thing, so I changed it. The car now is better. And if you go on the exhaust side, you can see an exhaust here. The burning is not how it's supposed to be. There is oil, there is a lot of burning stuff here. So that means the car doesn't burn how it's supposed to be. And even you can smell too much gas in the car. And after I replace the parts and I put a new one, the car doesn't smell anymore like the exhaust system. The car runs perfect, smoother, and even like the RPM is down. As soon you get horsepower, you feel the horsepower is there. Because the last time I take the car to the dyno and there is some issue, like something doesn't let the car get horsepower. When you drive sometime you feel the car like hold horsepower. So this is why I changed the canister and the car ran perfect now. So I'll take it for more tests. And make sure guys, when you change the canister or any other part in Infiniti or Nissan, make sure you disconnect the negative battery on your car. Like that you get have mission lights on or something else, you go to your ECU. So this one is really bad guys. So when I will look on side of it, like it says, it's like everything is old. Especially this one is the factory one. This is almost 175,000 miles. I mean, it's too old. So this is why I got another one. I go to a shop called Z35. So Z35, they do like sport cars in Tampa, Florida. They tune cars, they build cars. So he has another car, the same like mine. He told me, Kareem, just go ahead and pick the parts from the car for free. And the market used one, the used one is cost at least like $200 for the factory parts. It's better use factory parts. Don't never use aftermarkets, because you know what you expect with aftermarkets. How the charcoal is the factory made or like make the like cheap. So this is why I put the factory one, the same part number, and the car ran perfect. So even I feel the car doesn't give smell, so pretty much it's good. So guys, that was a small video like that, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing you more tricks guys all time. See ya.